If you've been wondering how to delete a folder in OneDrive and what actually happens when you do, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 clear, simple methods to remove folders from OneDrive, whether you want to keep them backed up in the cloud, clear them off your computer, or erase them completely. Let's jump right in because cleaning up your files should be straightforward and stress-free. First up, let's talk about deleting a folder directly from your computer, which also removes it from OneDrive everywhere. To start, open your File Explorer. This is that familiar folder icon down on your taskbar. Look for the OneDrive folder. It's usually listed on the left panel, maybe under Quick Access. Once you're in your OneDrive, take a moment to find the exact folder you want to delete. Double-check the name, especially if it's similar to others. When you found it, right-click on that folder. You'll see a menu pop up. Go ahead and select Delete. Now, here's what actually happens. This action moves the folder, along with everything inside it, straight to your OneDrive recycle bin. This includes not just your local computer, but any device synced with that OneDrive account. It's a bit like tossing your files into a digital trash can that follows you around. If you have OneDrive on your phone, tablet, or another computer, the folder disappears from there too. If you're worried about making a mistake, don't stress. The folder isn't permanently gone yet. It's waiting in the recycle bin just in case you want to restore it. That's a great safety net. Now, say you only want to stop seeing a folder on your computer but keep it safely backed up in the cloud. This is where stopping sync comes in. First, find the little cloud icon for OneDrive in your taskbar, bottom right on Windows, top menu bar on Mac. Click it. This brings up the OneDrive menu. Look for something labeled Settings, or it might say Preferences. The wording can depend on your system, but it's always there. You'll see several tabs. Go to the one named Account. Here, where you take control, click on Choose Folders. You'll get a list of all the folders in your OneDrive. Uncheck the box next to the folder or folders you no longer want on your PC and hit OK. OneDrive will now quietly remove those folders from your local computer, making some precious space, but the files still live on in the cloud. You can still access them anytime you log into OneDrive online or sync them elsewhere. It's like packing up rarely used items into storage. You can get them later without them cluttering up your main space. Finally, maybe you're ready to get rid of a folder for good everywhere. To do this, head over to OneDrive.com and sign in with your account. Once you're in, navigate to where your files are stored, just like browsing folders on your computer. Find the folder you want gone, and here's a small detail. Click the little gray circle that appears on its icon to select it. Once it's selected, look for the delete icon at the top. Usually it looks like a trash can. Click that and it's gone from your OneDrive cloud. But what if you want to make sure it's gone for good? Just head to the recycle bin on the left-hand menu. Find your deleted folder there, select it one more time, and choose to delete it permanently. Just remember, after this, the folder is really truly erased, so take a quick moment to double-check you don't need anything inside before committing. And that's it. Whether you're freeing up hard drive space, clearing out old projects, or just craving a bit of digital tidiness, these methods have you covered. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, and if you still have questions, just pop them in the comments. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.